gonna go over fan and motor next. If the fan's not working properly, it's not turning fast enough, it won't get the heat off the core, right?
That motor has got blades attached to it, so it's creating an airflow through your condenser coil.
Through these fins?
Through the fins of the system. So the biggest thing is ensure that motor is pulling the amperage it's supposed to.
So it's back to the compressor again, pulling amps.
Yep. The side of the motor most time does a label that tells you the amp draw, and also on the unit itself it'll tell you what the amp draw should be for that fan motor.
And if you're a veteran heat and air man, you should know what a motor should be pulling.
On average, they're all gonna pull about the same thing.
So what's the normal amp draw for a motor?
Anywhere from 0.8 to 1.5 amps. It just depends on the size and age of the unit.
So if the heat and air man comes in and says, you know, your amp draw was 6.5 on a motor, something's wrong.
Something's wrong.
Or he didn't know what he's doing, or he just wrote numbers down. This is things you can check. So we're gonna check the fan connections and voltage just like we do the compressor, right?
That's right. Coming into the system, you have wires come in that go into a contactor.
It all comes to one point?
They all come to one point. So that fan motor has got a power wire going to a contactor, and if it's a heat pump, it's got another wire going to a defroster.
So this is not like a Japanese or American-made car where you can't look in there and go, that's 8,000 wires. In a heat and air unit, it all comes together in one little central location, and everything works off of one little area. So it's easy to check everything at one time.
Yeah, so when you put your leads on there, you're gonna see your volt reading. You put your amp clamp around the wires going to the motor, they're gonna tell you the amp draw.
Same time you're doing the compressor.
So, yeah.
You got a compressor, you got an outdoor fan, you got an indoor fan. Indoor fan's under the house.
That's right. So either the other part to the system is under the house or in the attic. So you have to go to that location and check the amp draw and the voltage and all that motor also.
And you clean that coil too.
And you got a evaporator coil in that location, so that needs to be opened up.
But that's why you keep good records.